Hi, welcome to PageFly video tutorials. In this video we will guide you how to create a Shopify collection page in PageFly. PageFly Collection Page will help you show information of a specific collection and display products in that collection in an attractive way. So the first thing we want to do is head over to the PageFly dashboard. Navigate to Pages and create a new collection page here. Here we are in the PageFly page editor. You can assign one or many collections for this collection page. There are many ways to quickly head to assigned collection for your collection page. Firstly, you should click on the three dots icon to open the page assignment model. You need to select one or many collections for the collection page. You can also assign all collections of your store. Another way is to choose page settings. Select Type on Page Assignments, then click Edit Collections to assign collections for your collection page. Now it's time to create an awesome collection page. You can create a collection page by using our template. Pick one template to use. Or create a unique collection page using our element in the left-hand side. I will take a quick demo for you. You can select Image in General tab here. Then set the section full width. Next, I will add a collection list. Select the collection source. Change items per row to 3. Finally, I will add a product list element. Similar to above, I will assign the product source and customize it. I will change the product media to square. Then styling the product title. Product price. And the Add to Cart button. After everything is done, and you want to check the page on live view, go ahead to save and publish the page. Then open it on live view. You can see there is Shopify default content here and PageFly content is at the bottom of the page. Go back to the PageFly editor. You can visit the theme editor to hide the Shopify default section. Here you can hide collection page content of the theme, and only keep PageFly content. You can hide one of them by clicking on the eye icon. Finally, click and hold the 6-dot icon next to each section in the theme editor to move the section around. And here is the live page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.